Hello everyone, thank you for joining my channel. On this video, I'll be discussing the basics of HTML, CSS, coding, and JavaScript Part 1. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It also the standard markup language for creating web pages. However, it is used on World Wide Web. For example, all lowercase www. or all uppercase www. along with the latest version of HTML5. HTML describes the web page structure using markup page and elements that are the building blocks of a web page. How to start a HTML and how does it function? In order to code web pages, you must add HTML tags to the content to create the structure of the web page. HTML tags will tell the browser how to display the text and image of the web page, which each web page is an HTML document file. An HTML file is a plain text file that has been saved with a .html or .htm file extension. An HTML document has three parts, which are document type definition, a heading section, and a body section. But the HTML5 document type definition is $! Exclamation mark, uppercase dot type, uppercase HTML, greater > sign. It's also important to note that HTML is not a case-sensitive language, which means the document type declaration tag and all other tags can be written in any combination of uppercase and lowercase characters. For example, you all can see these three examples typed on the slide. Descriptive information about the document itself should be placed in the head section, and the content that is displayed by the web browser should be placed in the document body section. Comments can be added between the other tags in both the head and body section inside a pair of disks. For example, as you all can see on my slide. However, the HTML document must define the document language, character encoded format, and title. How does web browser function with the HTML files? Web browsers read the HTML files from top to bottom and display the content in the structure defined by the tags. A web browser can request a web page from a web server and receive a copy of the web page in its response. To check the web page code to see its performance, you must access the World Wide Web Consortium, also known as W3C, on your web browser, which this will provide a free validator tool that will check your web page code for you. However, this is the end of the slide, so let's get started. First, we're going to click on Notepad++. Next, we're going to go to File and go to Save As. And on Save As, I'm going to save mine on my desktop. Next, in File Name, I'm going to name this Testing. And for Save As Type, I'm going to change that to Hypertext Markup Language. And make sure it's saved on desktop, then hit Save. And on the first line, I'm going to just type in $! Dot type and HTML and greater > sign. And the reason I didn't put the exclamation mark before I put dot type because I'm going to show you all what kind of error it gives you. So I'm going to type in $! Sign HTML language, which I abbreviate that, and hit $, then quotation, then ENT, then close quotation, then the greater > sign. Then I will hit enter and enter again. Then I write the word head, which I put $! Sign, head, and greater > sign. Then I hit enter again. Then hit some more. Then I type in $! Sign meta chart set. Equals quotation, uppercase U, uppercase T, uppercase F, hyphen, backspace, then hyphen, 8, quotation, and greater > sign. So once after I've done that, I will display on my screen what all this means. So next, I'm going to make my title. So next I'm going to put my title, so I do less than sign, title. Then greater than sign. Then I put my name, @ sign, IdentifyHerSavvy. Then I would do less than sign, / title, then greater than sign to close that out. Then next, I will go down and I will put less than sign. Well, I will go up back to line 5 and I get that word called head instead of me just typing it. And we're going to paste it on line 10. Then we're going to put the / right there to close that out. As you can see, it's been highlighted. And on line 13, I'm going to write my comment. And in order for us to write our comment is you gotta do less than sign, exclamation, hyphen, hyphen. And my comment is in my own words, so do not copy my comment because it's just like writing an essay. You do not want anyone else to have it but you. So right after I got done doing the comment, I'm going to hit enter and enter again, and I'm going to write on line 15 body. So I do less than sign, body, and greater than sign. Then I'm going to highlight the word body. Instead of retyping again to close it out, I'm going to highlight it right there and put on line 16, then put the / right there, then hit enter to make some more space. And right there, I'm going to put less than sign, H1, and after that I put greater than sign. Then I will use that same thing right there, but I'm going to close it out. So I'm put less than sign, / H1, then greater than sign. So I'm going to have a total of 6 of these. So it's going to be H1, range from H6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight line 16, press Control C, and I'm going to Control V after each one of them to make sure I have 6 of those. And I will stop on line 21. Right there. So for line 17, I'll change that to 2. And for line 18, I changed that to 3. And for line 19, I changed that to 4. And line 20, I changed that to 5. And line 21, I changed that to 6. So I go back to line 16 and I will type the word testing. Then I put the number 1. And for the rest of them, I will use the word testing. So I'll do Control C, which I highlighted it, and paste it in 17, put 2. And for the others, I do 3 through 6. For line 26, I put less than sign, / HTML, greater than sign to close that out. Then I will add some comments up there as well. On line 3, I will add a comment. which I put my name. And you wonder why all of it highlighted green. Right now, it think everything is a comment, but it's not because I haven't closed it out. So I will put my comment right here. So I put my name. I put IdentifyHerSavvy. That part out, then I open another comment part, then I put today's date or the date I did this video, so it'd be January the 16th 2023. And then I closed it out, then I'm opening another one up, and this part will be the purpose of this program. So you might see me go back and forth, editing a word or editing a comment. So you all please bear with me. After I got done doing all my comment and coding, so next I'm going to show you all how to set up you all favorite browser to test you all HTML page. So the one I really prefer you all to use is Google Chrome. As you can see, it's two of them there. The first one is the one I actually made, and the second one I actually made just to practice with. So I'm going to delete the practice one, and I'm going to show you all how to make one. So I'll close that out. And before I get started on that, I'm going to go back to my comment and I'm going to change one thing. So you all bear with me again. And so now we're going to click run. And click run there. Then we're going to click the three buttons. Then I'm going to go to my Windows C drive. click on, well, I click on this PC, then go to Windows C drive, then click on Program Files, then go to Google, then go to Google Chrome, then click on Application. Then you should see that, so you double click on that. Then you should see all of this stuff where you got it from. And so I go all the way to the end, then I hit space, then I type all that, what I put on the screen for you all. After that, I click save. Then I name it Google Chrome Test. Then it's up to you all. You want to make you little special keys on the board for it, but I don't want to do that, so I just keep mine the way it is. So I hit OK. Then I hit exit. I go back to run just to make sure it's there. Make sure everything's saved, so I click Control S on my keyboard to save all. You hit the button, so I go right back to run. Then I do Google Chrome Test. As you all can see, it look like it's normal. It look like everything works, but it doesn't. But as you all can see, it did get my name correct on the tab, which that's what I want, and it got testing 1 through 6. That's correct. But the lower the number be, the higher the font. But the higher the number be, the lower the font. So we're going to exit out this. And we're going back to Notepad++. And we're going back to Run. And we're going to click Google Chrome Test. And we're going to open up a new tab. And we're going to search up W3C. And as you all can see, this will take you to. It show you everything about that website. And who the CEO, who the founder, what their purpose, all of the good stuff. So now we're going to click on that second link, that purple highlighted one right there, which I already been on there before. And now we're going to click on validated by file upload. So we click on that, and we're going to use that HTML that we're working on. We're going to use this one, not that one. And the reason we're not going to use that because it got back file, we're going to use this as an HTML file. So as you all can see, I already uploaded. So now I'm going to check it. However, as you all can see, I have a bunch of errors, and the reason why I had this many errors because I never put an exclamation mark before I typed out the word .type HTML. So now I'm going to go back to the program, and I'm going to make some more changes to my comment. So bear with me once again. Now I'm going to add the exclamation mark right there before .type. And I'm gonna hit Control S to save all, or you can hit the button Save All. So now I'm going to minimize that string. And I'm going to go back so I can re-upload the file again, the HTML one. And I'm going to check it. As you all can see, there's no errors. So now I'm going to exit out this part, and I'm going to go back to the program, and I'm going to rerun it again, clicking right there. And as you all can see, nothing changed between the one that was an error and this the correct one now. However, if you had made it to the end of this video, I would like to say thank you for your support. And also, if you all can do these few things for me, which is like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share to friends. And also, if you want to know more information about this video, or what you had saw, or anything that had interested you all throughout this video, please feel free to check the description underneath this video. Also, if you all want to know more information about me, please feel free to go on my link tree, which you all can see it on the screen, or you can check out my About tab. Once again, I would like to say thank you all for your support. I have more content on the way, and have a nice day.